While Ukraine struggles with quantities of SAM system, they have a lot of quality system, with the multi-layered defense consisting of everything from very short range to longer range. One of Russia's go-to weapon system is the Shahed kamikaze drone. These are better targets by shorter range and cheaper system, since they can be sent in quantities as seen numerous times. While some drones often manage to strike its target, Ukraine has become very effective in downing most of them, limiting the damage they can create. Here a Shahed drone was targeted by a laser-guided automatic tracking system and hit by a missile with blast fragmentation, which caused the steering and possibly motor to get damaged, resulting in the drone crashing. Possibly done with an RBS-70 system, which is more newly adopted system and responsible for taking out many drones and Russian helicopters. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.